increased, you bloom in light, a garden made in the still of night. Your petals whisper tales so sweet, in silence where two hearts can meet. Colors drawn from a wishful mind, origami love hard to find. Paper dreams in fragile grace, cradle hope in your embrace. Paper flowers dance on breeze, roots and dreams that hearts at ease. In a world so tough and strange, you remain to take the change. Ink enfold a story told, in your veins pure gold unrolled. Every edge a tender plea, bound with you I'm feeling free. Fleeting beauty, don't you tap, in your heart life's quiet care. Promise made with paper light, through the day and into night. Paper flowers dance on breeze, roots and dreams that hearts at ease. In a world so tough and strange, you remain to take the change. Cut the edges round and neat, fingers dancing with the sheet. Magic in a folded crease, turning plain into a masterpiece. Tiny town of paper trails, ships with paper snowy sails. Alphabet in paper frames, in this world we're all the same. In a paper world we fly, origami to the sky. Every story paper cut, dreams unfold with every snip. Castles from a magazine, colored pages lush and green. Scissors singing lullabies to the stars from paper skies. Ink and glue are secret tools, heart and soul in bending rules. Every cut a new surprise, crafting tales that never die. Fields of cranes from folded charms, paper birds in paper arms. Libraries of paper words, whispering like paper birds.